Hey y'all, welcome back. I wanted to give a quick little tour of our downtown Chicago apartment and show you what $2,400 gets you. We moved from Houston about a month ago, so far we are loving it. It's a wonderful city. I enjoyed it the entire time I've been here so far. So let me give you a quick tour. A quick tour of our apartment. We are downtown Chicago, and this is about 748 square feet, give or take. So this is a beautiful kitchen. We got the most updated dishwasher here. I love it. Never had something quite like that. We also have the wonderful oversized sink here. I absolutely adore that more than you'd even imagine. Tons of cabinet space. I mean, almost to the ceiling there. Nice gray wood flooring, and it's actual wood floors. Got the beautiful stainless steel appliances. Wonderful 10-foot ceilings. These are concrete ceilings. Got the track lighting here. Now we come to the living room area slash bar area. Wonderful bar space and a quartz countertop. Really easy to clean, beautiful white colors, very fresh and very new looking. Now these apartments are probably about 2 to 3 years old, give or take. So they are still pretty new. We've got our wonderful painting wall here. I love the sparkly painting. We actually got that from High Fashion Homes, as well as the mirrors. Couches are from Restoration Hardware, as well as the table. And thumbs up about this book. Now this book is about 25 pounds. Got the wonderful 70-inch TV here. The living room is very spacious. It's actually bigger than my last apartment. And it leads to the balcony here, which is a wonderful size. Beautiful view of Chicago there. Can't get much better than that. We're on the 8th floor, so we get a spectacular view. So going in here, this is the bedroom. Now we do have the Philips Hue light, so it's always fun to kind of play with the colors there. Now we do have the gold turtle shells on the wall above the bed there. Those are from Z Gallery. They were a final sale, and I just love the way they look. Now the furniture is from Ashley's Furniture. Beautiful, large, dark wood furniture. Great price, great quality. Can't get much better than that. You also have the 65-inch TV in here from Best Buy, as well as the one in the living room. Also some decorations here and there from Z Gallery as well. Can you tell we love that store? Got a wonderful window here that tilts out for great circulation in the beautiful cold weather that you get here in Chicago. Another view here. And let's go on to the closet. So the closet. So here, so you do have closet space, which tons and tons of closet space. All right. So then we're going to be going to the bathroom here, which is a wonderful size as well. It connects to the front, so for guests. And then also connects to the bedroom. Got a wonderful closet space here. Tons and tons of storage. It's really awesome. Beautiful quartz throughout the entire apartment. Also got the tub, stand-up shower as well. This leads back to the kitchen area. Here we do have a storage closet. I won't show you that because it is chaotic a little bit. We moved here, May 8th was our official first day here in Chicago, so we are still getting acclimated. Do have a wonderful stand-up washer and dryer. I love it. It is very spacious. I mean, looks can be deceiving. Tons of space. You wouldn't imagine that with the stand-up washer and dryer. Great closet there. So that is my apartment tour. Let me know if you have any questions. I would be happy to hear them. Now this is me kind of starting my YouTube channel with a few videos, so any feedback is greatly appreciated. And until next time.